Hello world! In this video, I'll demonstrate how to upgrade a laptop by adding a memory stick. The reason why I love this Klebo laptop, locally rebranded as Rebel in the Philippines, is that it has 4 slots of memory with a total maximum capacity of 64 gig, 2 slots for mechanical drive, and 2 slots for SSD. Imagine you can have 2 1TB of mechanical and 2 1TB of SSD. You can refer to my other video on how to add a second SSD drive. See the link in the description box of this video. To know the compatible memory stick, make sure to consult your laptop's manual or consult some online websites from memory stick manufacturers such as Crucial, Kingston, or G-Skill. An alternative would be to use a third-party tool such as CPU-Z, which reads your memory specs so you can search for a compatible model. You should look out for the SPD tab, Max Bandwidth Parameter. Here we can see that I have DDR4 2400 value, so go to Amazon and look for compatible sticks by searching DDR4-2400 SODIMM. SODIMM means it's for laptops, and we should see similar results. Before you begin, make sure that you have the appropriate tools. I have a Kingston memory stick which I'm going to add in this laptop. 2 pieces of pick would do. Sometimes I even use a guitar pick. Or just look for something thin that is not sharp or rough so as not to scratch your laptop. To add the memory stick, you must first remove the back cover of your laptop by removing the screws. Make sure that you remove all of them. Then start removing the back cover from the LAN port. Slide the first pick, and once you have an opening, slide the second and continue sliding the first from one side to another. Once you reach the other side, gently pull the back cover. In my case, I already added 2 memory sticks in front of my laptop under the keyboard. So this time, I'll add this new memory stick here in the back. It should be easily accessible once the back cover is removed. Add your memory stick, secure the back cover, and turn on your laptop. To add the memory stick, slide it in 30 degrees, push downward until you hear the lock clicks. Now let's secure the back cover and make sure that all the screws are fastened. Now let's turn on our laptop and see if it's reading our new memory stick. I already have 40 gig, adding 16 gig more makes it 56 gig. You might ask why I need that amount of memory. Well, it's because I'm a programmer and sometimes I need to run what we call container, or let's just say programs, all at the same time. Other than that, video editing using Premiere is faster when you have a big amount of memory, especially when you have a lot of special effects in your video. To view the amount of memory your laptop have, open Windows Explorer, right-click on my computer or this PC, and click Properties. And that's it. Don't be afraid to open your laptop, but please be very careful. Do support my channel by liking and sharing this video, and subscribe to my channel as well.